Welcome to the video presentation on Low Tension Current Transformer LT-CT energy meters. In this video presentation, we will learn how current transformers CTs are connected to an energy meter to make it tamper-proof in the box. A communication port connection is used to view the meter reading remotely through a modem. Let us now look at the salient features, parameters and functioning of LT-CT meters. To record according to the connected load consumption directly, a heavy meter is required. Its terminals have to be bolted. Even the insulation parameters have to be increased to avoid short circuit during installation. This is practically impossible as it is expensive and not feasible. Considering these requirements, CT has been used inside the meter. This is called LT-CT or Low Tension Current Transformer meter. These are used to record power consumption of loads ranging from 26 kilowatts to 99 kilowatts. Let us look at the four kinds of meters. They are genus, secure, Landis and Gear, and LNT. We use two segments for meters. The first segment is 200 by 5 ampere LT-CT meter for loads of 51 kilowatt to 99 kilowatt. The other is 100 by 5 ampere CT meter for 26 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt. Let me brief you on the meter box. This is a 100 by 5 ampere meter box for loads of 26 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt. The CT required is 100 by 5 ampere for recording. This is a genus meter. It is displayed as 100 by 5 ampere. It means that it is made for loads of 26 kilowatts to 50 kilowatts. The secure meter, which is of 200 by 5, is made for loads of 52 kilovolts to 99 kilovolts. The main difference between the meters lies in its installation, the type of box used, and the kind of CT rating used. Similarly, for a secure LT-CT meter box, we require 200 by 5 CT rating. The difference lies only in the CT rating. You can see that in this CT, there are 11 terminals. These terminals are required for an LT-CT meter. These terminals can be divided into 4 sets with 3 terminals in each set. These sets are joined to R, Y, B and neutral phases. So, R phase requires 3 terminals. Y phase requires 3 terminals. B phase requires 3 terminals. Finally, 2 terminals are joined to neutral for incoming and outgoing. Let us look at R phase. The first and third terminals are called S1 and S2. These belong to the CT. The middle terminal is called P1. P stands for potential. They give the recording of the meter. This is also called RBS. In this way, this forms a block of 11 terminals. As shown here, you have to lock these terminals and fix them properly. Earlier, ring-type CTs were used in meters. In those CTs, a meter was placed in an open meter box. As technology is advancing, we are using more efficient meters. As far as tamper-proof parameters are concerned, the same logic is used in this meter also. These meters are not affected by AC or DC injection. If a meter is tampered by opening the cover, it displays the time and date of opening. It is not affected by ESD, electrostatic discharge or radio frequencies. The features of a secure meter are similar to those of a polyphase meter. One important thing to remember is class of 0.5 S. A polyphase meter of 1 kilovolt belongs to class 1 meter. All LT-CT meters belong to 0.5 S class. It means the accuracy of 100 parameters should have an error of 0.5 plus or minus. It should not be more than this reading. As you can see, this meter displaying 160 impulses per kilowatt hours. It displays 3 phases and 3 kinds of reading parameters. There will be active power kW, apparent power kVA, and reactive power kVAR. As per energy reading, it displays kWh, kVAH and kVARH as active, apparent and reactive energy. When the meter is powered with 160 impulses of kilowatt hour, the reading increases from 1 to 2. Like polyphase meter, this meter has an optical slot. It has the same parameters. It displays 3 types of readings. It records the maximum demand in kW kilowatt power. It also displays instant line parameters like voltage reading. This means it displays which phase is working and which one is not working, and the maximum and minimum loads of various phases. These meters can be used for loads up to 3 megawatts. This is done by increasing the rating of CTs from 400 by 5 ampere to 2000 by 5 ampere as ring CTs. This is commonly used in distribution transformers as consumers' energy meters and energy audit meters. In this video presentation, we have seen the features and functions of low tension current transformer LT CT energy meters.